For the asymmetric backdrop design lesson, you will be needing the following materials: your basic backdrop, a total of 16 sheer drapes, one extra crossbar, and two 3-inch crossbar hangers. For this design, you will be rod pocketing all of your shears. So make sure you have 8 shears on the first crossbar and 8 shears on the second crossbar. Now that your backdrop is up, you will start with the hand over hand technique, and you will connect a total of 5 drapes. Once you are done, you will then tie them to the upright using a pipe cleaner. Puddle the extra fabric nicely on the floor and work on your pleats. You can pull some of the drape out if you want a more generous swag, and then start working on the other side of the backdrop by puddling the fabric nicely on the floor and adjusting the remaining drapes on the other side. Now it's time to add embellishments. You can use a sash, fold it a couple times, and wrap it around the drape. You can tie it with a straight pin and add a brooch on top of it. Or you can use ribbons or rhinestone sashes, anything that will really make your backdrop pop.